Hello everyone, myself Antarip Kalita from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with page number 24 from chapter 3, Plant Kingdom. We are going to start with the generalized feature of algae and other classes will be discussed in the subsequent classes. Now from algae very first question can be of the basic character like algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple, thalloid, autotrophic and largely aquatic, and they are both freshwater and marine water. You have to remember this line because this line has been asked previously. Now about the lichens we have discussed previously, and for animals on sloth bear you have to remember this. This is a very important paragraph and questions have been asked many times from this paragraph. They ranging from colonial forms like volvox and filamentous forms like elotrix and spirogyra. You have to remember this, which one is a colonial form, that is volvox, and which one is the filamentous, elotrix and spirogyra. And few marine forms. A question have been asked previously that what is the marine algae? It is the kelps from massive plant bodies. Now coming to the reproduction part, they reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation, similar to the other, and for most common being the zoospores. For sporic one, the zoospores are more common. Sexual reproduction takes place by fusion of two gametes. Now here the next line is very important for MCQ, that the gametes can be flagellated and similar in size, that is found in elotrix. You have to remember in elotrix gametes can be flagellated and similar in size, and non-flagellated, non-motile but similar in size found in spirogyra. You have to remember this with examples because many times they have asked this. And such reproduction is called isogamous, and if the dissimilar is size, anisogamous. You got this in previous pages also. Now the motile male gamete termed as oogamous, it is volvous and fucus. You have to remember this. In the page number 25 you will get a image. You can get image based question, and many examples of algae are given here, and you have to remember these examples with pictures like number 1 is volvox, next is elotrix. You have to remember like that, and the parts you have to remember. Many times they may ask you the ploidy also in other kingdoms of this chapter. You have to remember the parts and the examples with the pictures. Now coming to page number 26, the very first paragraph we are going to study today, and it is a very important paragraph, and this question have been asked previously in various state examinations as well as your PMT examination. At least half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on earth carried out by algae through photosynthesis. They may ask two questions: how much is of total carbon dioxide, first question, and the second question, algae through photosynthesis, through which method they may ask you. So you have to remember this. Algae dissolve oxygen in their immediate environment, and paramount importance as the primary producers of energy rich compound which from the basis of food cycle in aquatic. Next line is very important, that Porphyra laminaria sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae which is used as food. This question have been asked many times, that which marine algae are used as food, and this question they are primary producers of energy rich compound can be asked also. Now certain marine brown red algae produce large amounts of hydrocolloids, water holding substances, example algin. This question has been asked many times. This belongs to brown algae. We will discuss in the later classes which one is brown algae, which one is red algae. So now algin, carragin, they are hydrocolloid. They are large amount. They have large amounts of hydrocolloids. You have to remember this, and they are used commercially also. Agar, one of the commercial products obtained from the Gelidium and Gracilaria. This question also has been asked from agar. Agar is from produced from which algae, that is Gelidium and Gracilaria, and they are used in preparation of ice cream and jellies. Chlorella is unicellular algae. This question have been asked, that which one is the unicellular algae used by space traveler. This is the chlorella, and the main classes are given: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, rhodophyceae, which we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.